In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PowerPoint to video with audio. By the end, you'll have a polished video file that includes your narration and any on-screen highlights you make, perfect for sharing lessons, presentations, or walkthroughs without needing separate editing software. Start inside PowerPoint by opening the recording tools. Look for the Record tab at the top. If you don't see record, no problem. Go to the slideshow tab and you'll find the recording option there as well. Open the recording menu, and when you see the controls, choose the option to get started. Next, press the button to begin recording. Before you speak, make sure your microphone is unmuted. You'll know it's ready when the mic icon is active and not crossed out. Take a breath, speak clearly, and keep a steady pace. A short pause before and after each slide transition helps ensure your words aren't clipped. If you stumble, don't worry, just pause and continue. The export will follow exactly what you record. While you're recording, you'll notice several tools you can use to highlight, draw, or annotate directly on your slides. These tools are great for calling attention to key points, circling important data, or underlining text as you speak. Everything you draw is captured in the final video, so use them to guide your audience's focus. To move between slides, use the on-screen navigation controls to go forward or back. Keep your transitions smooth by pausing briefly before you click to the next slide. When you're done narrating all your slides, stop the recording to wrap things up. Now it's time to export the video. Choose the export option, then confirm to start the process. PowerPoint will begin exporting automatically, combining your slides, your voice, your timings, and your annotations into a single video file. You'll see progress as it works, and when it's finished, PowerPoint will show you the folder where your video is saved. Depending on the length and content of your presentation, exporting can take a little time, so let it run without closing the app or putting your computer to sleep. Once complete, your video is ready to share, upload, or play on any device that supports common video formats. And that's it. You've turned your PowerPoint into a video with audio quickly and cleanly, all inside the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.